doctors and the nurse found ourselves in
Amsterdam.
The name of the film, Amsterdam, kind of represents a lot of things, but mainly it represents a time in these characters' life where things are really beautiful and free for them. And so it's an incredible cast. I feel so lucky. It was like a bucket list of actors I've ever wanted to work with, and I got to do it all in the same film, which is just insane. And everyone was really awesome. I mean, we said it a lot today when we were doing press, like there weren't egos on set. It didn't feel like who's who and who you're scared to work with or intimidated who's coming into work today. You were only excited about like, oh great, they're coming in today. Like we get to do scenes together, but it was always just very collaborative.
Felt like all-star weekend, you know, just every day on set was an inspiration, seeing all the different processes of these actors that I've admired for years.
The cuckoo is in the nest and the cuckoo's about to be trapped.
The main theme of this movie is friendship and loyalty, and it's the family you choose as opposed to necessarily the family you grew up with, and also your definition of family.
For me, I look at it and think it's a hopeful movie. Makes you walk out of that theater, I think, the cinema tonight and say, what's my Amsterdam? What's that moment where I reckoned with myself and came out of it a better person because of the great people I had in my life?
That's important, and there's humor in a lot of dramatic situations, and even though they're moving, sometimes not in a happy way, it's better that they're funny at least. They have this sense of irony.
You and Woodman fled the scene.
The killer pointed at us. We didn't do anything.
Why would you possibly think that was us? Well, there's not too many people that fit the description of a doctor looking for his eye on the ground with his black attorney. Columbia Law School.
I think the theme is love, companionship, friendship, how important those things are, no matter what time period you're in. You know, those things, the human connection is a very powerful thing.
We find ourselves in a situation where we're accused of killing someone, which is not true.